Hello everyone, this is Lews Auto in Thornburg, Virginia. Today I have UU177. This is a 2007 Nissan Pathfinder with a 4.0 engine in it. It's got 151,726 on the mileage. So this vehicle has a front end and a right side collision. It unfortunately has busted the fuse box to the point where it cannot run. I do have some of the stuff inside working, so we'll show you a couple things there. But unfortunately, it's going to be kind of a short test video. Little short story about this while I walk around the car. We had this vehicle here once before. It was sitting in the rear end here, and the customer came out, saw it, and decided that they wanted to purchase it. And so they purchased it. They got themselves a deck lid. Looks like they just kind of roughed out this rear bumper here and a trailer hitch, and put that on there and just started driving it. Well, since that happened, they got in this accident here, and they went ahead and got it back to us. So we do know it runs and drives just fine, but unfortunately I just won't be able to show you that. We will do a little bit better test in the bay. We'll try to get a compression test out of it too for you guys. We're gonna go test out what I can, which looks like my mirrors unfortunately are not responding. I do have my windows responding at least. So driver's side window. Passenger side window is broken out. This will be your driver's side rear window. And then the other window is also broken out. There goes your mileage, 151,726 on the mileage. Unfortunately, heater AC control is not responding right now. Again, I think it's something with the fuse box. The four-wheel drive stuff's not working. But with as hard of a hit as it had, it does not surprise me. So, but yeah, that's long and short of it. This is UU177. That's my 2007 Pathfinder. We will do a compression test when it gets in the bay. Make sure you do have a compression. Transmission was shifting just fine when it left here. And honestly, I think he might have put maybe 6,000 to 7,000 miles on it when we sold it. So it's not like it went very far at all. But you guys have any questions, need any parts, please call Lews Auto. And we are happy to help you. Thank you, and God bless.